Hi, my name is Hannah, and today we will be unboxing the HPE Aruba Networking Access Point Universal Mounting Bracket.
The Aruba Universal Mounting Bracket Kit can serve as a replacement for the existing 5 mounting bracket types A, B, C, a D, and E. This can be useful for situations where you are not exactly sure how and where your APs will be mounted at the time of purchase. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Here you have your installation guide. This is the base bracket. And here is the suspended ceiling rail clip. As you can see, it's adjustable and can fit a variety of suspended ceiling rails. We will demonstrate the installation later on. Underneath the cardboard insert, you will find a wall and electrical box plate. The wall plate can be used for mounting to a flat wall or a single or dual gang electrical box. Please note that this kit does not include any screws for securing the bracket to a wall or electrical box. These need to be sourced separately from your building hardware supplier. There is nothing else in the box. Let's have a look at the installation examples. The base bracket can be used to mount the access point to a wall. Take the base bracket, pull the push pin out, and then pull the latch bar outward until it is locked into place. Hold the base bracket against the wall, making sure the arrows on the base bracket are pointing up. Use the base bracket as a template to mark 4 mounting hole positions on the wall. Drill holes at the 4 marked positions and install the wall anchors. Fasten the base bracket to the wall using the wall anchors and screws from your hardware supplier. You can now slide the access point into place. Complete the installation by pulling the ring lock out, sliding the access point fully onto the bracket and releasing the pin. You can secure the access point further by tightening the attached screw into the bracket. Let's have a look at an installation example using the wall plate. Prior to installation, make sure the arrows are pointing upwards. Keyholes are used for direct installation onto walls. The smaller holes are used for electrical box installations and will fit a number of single and dual gang standards. Secure the bracket to the wall or electrical box using appropriate screws. Prepare the base bracket for installation by pulling the push pin out and then sliding the latch bar outward until it locks into place. Attach the base bracket to the suspended ceiling rail clip, making sure the 4 holders on the suspended ceiling rail clip insert into the mounting slots on the base bracket. Pull the latch bar inward so the push pin retracts and the mounting slots on the base bracket clamp to the holders on the wall plate. Check the base bracket, making sure it is attached firmly to the wall plate. If it's loose, repeat the steps to reinstall it. When ready, simply slide the access point into place. Please note that the access point will slide in only from one direction. Check this before installation to make sure you have the appropriate access and clearance in place. Complete the installation by pulling the ring lock out, sliding the access point fully onto the bracket and releasing the pin. You can secure the access point further by tightening the attached screw into the bracket. To install on a suspended ceiling, check the ceiling rail width and types. Open the suspended ceiling rail clip, making sure the spacing of its 2 sides are wider than the ceiling rail width. Place the suspended ceiling rail clip over the rail and clamp it to the left-hand side. Slide the right-hand side towards the rail until it clamps into place. Make sure the suspended ceiling rail clip stops on one of the 3 numbers corresponding to the rail width. Then prepare the base bracket for installation by pulling the push pin out and then pulling the latch bar outward until it is locked into place. Attach the base bracket to the suspended ceiling rail clip, making sure the 4 holders on the clip insert into the mounting slots on the base bracket. Pull the latch bar inward so the push pin retracts, and the mounting slots on base bracket clamp to the holders on the suspended ceiling rail clip. You can now slide the access point into place. Complete the installation by pulling the ring lock out, sliding the access point fully onto the bracket and releasing the pin. You can secure the access point further by tightening the attached screw into the bracket. And there you have it. For more information, check out the library via our website link in the description below. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. Thank you for watching.